Hey guys, today I thought I'd show you what I did with the Toyota Highlander. This is a hybrid vehicle and we turned it into a community emergency response vehicle. I'm part of the community emergency response team, and it's basically a disaster preparedness team where they give you a bunch of backpacks, give you a bunch of training, and they help you help others in emergencies. So I got a bunch of firefighting equipment and I plan on staying and helping the firefighters and a bunch of people fight the fires. So I needed something that would help essentially fit my image and be able to divert traffic if I'm ever fighting fire or helping out with anything. This vehicle is fully capable of that. Also, it has a system that will allow people to be warned of the fire early, because it took a while for law enforcement to get here to warn everyone about the fire. So if I have the opportunity to do that, I will take it. Alright, so let's go on in to the emergency response vehicle. Alright, and you'll notice that there's not much different about the car other than that it's got a little PA system, and there's also a light bar back there in addition to the one on the roof. So let's go ahead and let's turn on the amber light bar, and as you can see, that's flashing up there, and then that is professionally wired through the roof, and then there's that light bar back there. Now I have another switch to turn that on. And now as you can see, that's on, and another switch over here to change the modes of that rear light bar. So if I want mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. So that's a right diversion mode. So like if I'm fighting a fire and I have all of my hoses set up and I want people to go around, then I'll set that up. There's not going to be a lot of people here, but it is just something to give law enforcement an idea that we are actually supposed to be here. We're not looting. We're part of the emergency response team helping people. Okay, next thing is we're outfitted with a little siren, and it's also got a PA. So yeah, so we could warn about the fire, run the sirens, run up and down the street, turn on the lights, and yeah. So this is what it's like from the outside with the siren. Let me turn that off though, because I have neighbors. I don't need them to get mad at me. And this is what the rear light bar looks like. And it's on divert mode right now, so it's on left divert mode. We could turn it on other modes as well. And there's the orange bar at the top. And there's the emergency response vehicle. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, and yeah, thanks for watching.